everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to build a simple surveillance camera using Yolov5 algorithm, and whenever any person detect, it will send message on Android phone. In this case I'm using Telegram to send message on. It is actually going to send the picture whatever it detects, and I'm going to build this project on a Raspberry Pi device, but you can use on any device. You can use on your desktop device as well, so it doesn't matter what computer you use as long as the code is same, so that's gonna work. So let's begin for the project. So here I have this cam monitor folder, and inside of it I have Yolov5 folder. So here I'm using this model bestface.pt, and now copy this path because we are going to need it to paste it in the code inside. So here in the path variable, just set whatever you have copied in here. Set camera, in my case I'm using 0 for the webcam, first webcam. And here the model I just shown you, and this is the device, which is CPU I'm using. Set this token variable and the receiver ID variable, and how you will get this token variable and receiver ID I'll show you in a minute. This block of code is to send message to Telegram app. You can use this at teleport.bot, pass the token and send message, receiver ID and the text message to send this text message into this receiver ID. So that's how simple it is to send a Telegram message on Android phone. And it is gonna send text message. If you want to send a photo, that's also very simple. Here you need to give both.send photo and receiver ID and photo equal open and the file path, the photo path here, and that's all. It's gonna send the message, the photo. It's gonna send this photo into the Android phone. Okay, let's explain this all code one by one. First, we have imported all important libraries. If you don't have installed this teleport library, you can install it using pip3 install teleport. That simple it is. Teleport is for this Telegram messenger. Now here you don't need to modify any of these codes. Here it is simple CB2 code to record video, and here you can see I'm setting width and height for the video as this values. Now here you need to sleep for small amount of time, otherwise the Raspberry Pi could get crashed. And here are self-explanatory. If return true, then the image, which is the frame, here convert the frame from numpy to tensor format and convert into float, and then move to the device, which is CPU in this case, and use the permute to change the axis. And this is the model passing the image and getting prediction, applying non-max operation. This is the prediction output. This is confidence score. This is IOU value, and this is the class, which class to keep in. Now loop through all the prediction, and if detection length is not 0 or not false, then here you want to get the frame and the path where you want to save the photo in, and then send the photo on this Telegram and wait for 1 second. So that's all for it. So wasn't it simple? So now see how to get the token for Telegram and also the receiver ID. For that, first we need to create a Telegram bot. So let's create it first. First of all, open your Telegram app and simply search here bot further, and you can see here the very first one, bot further, and you can see a tick mark. So simply select that. Now we are in that page. So at the bottom you can see start or restart button. Simply click that, and now you will get something list like this. From here you can see what commands does what. So from here we need this new bot that creates a new bot. So simply click that new bot link, and it is asking for name for our bot. So give any name you want. I'm giving my bot name as my test bot, and then it says now you need to enter username. Your username should be unique, so type a username. Let's see if this username is available. And it says this username is already taken, so I need to use a different username. So let's try a different one, and it says that username last should have bot or bot. So our bot is created successfully, and you can see here this is the token that we needed. Copy the token, so let's paste it to see what it copied, and this is the token. Here the user ID that we created for our bot, copy that user ID and search it on the search bar here, and now you can see my test bot is appears. And now click on start and simply send any text message because it is necessary. So we done everything here. Now let's move into desktop computer again. So this far we have created Telegram bot, and also we have the token, and now it's time to get this receiver ID. For that, simply copy paste this URL into your browser and replace this portion with this token. So I'm just gonna replace this portion with my token, and now enter. So if you don't get this page, then simply send a message to your chatbot and then refresh the page again, then you will get it. Here you can see the ID, this ID here. Simply copy this ID and paste it here. Your ID would be different than mine. So now run the code. So here is the first message from our code, and as soon as person detects, it will send the photos